In today's video, I will walk you through how to share Spotify playlist. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Start by finding the playlist you want to share in Spotify. Look in the left sidebar under your library, then scroll through your playlists or use the search bar at the top to find the exact playlist. Once you find it, click the playlist to select it or locate it directly in the sidebar. Then right-click the playlist name. You can also click the three dots next to the playlist title. Both options open the same menu. From the menu, hover over or select Share to open the available sharing options. The first option is Copy Link to Playlist. Select this to copy the standard web link to your clipboard. You can then paste the link into a text, email, or social post. Anyone who clicks the link can open the playlist in Spotify through the app or browser. If the playlist is private or secret, the link can still be used by the people you send it to. The playlist simply won't appear in public searches. Another option is Copy Spotify URI. Select this if you need the playlist's Spotify URI instead of a regular web link. The URI provides a Spotify-specific address that can be used when a tool, app, or documentation specifically requests one. For regular sharing, use the standard playlist link. You can also select Copy Embed Code. Use this option when you want to add the playlist directly to a website or blog. Spotify provides HTML that you can paste into your site builder. This creates an interactive player where visitors can preview and open the playlist. So to share a Spotify playlist, find the playlist in your library, right-click the playlist name or select the three dots, then choose Share. From the Sharing menu, choose the option you need. Select Copy Link to Playlist for a standard link, copy Spotify URI when a Spotify URI is required, or copy Embed Code when you want to place the playlist on a website or blog. After selecting the appropriate option, paste the copied link, URI, or embed code where you need it. Thank you for watching.